Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. Speed vocabulary for learning English. In the kitchen, 15 words. Are you ready to practice vocabulary with me? Yes? Okay, let's do it. A refrigerator, an oven, a microwave, a toaster, a rice steamer, a coffee maker, a blender, a frying pan, a chopping block, a pitcher, a whisk, a spatula, oven mitts, tableware, a trash can. All right, now it's your turn. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all of my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.